Guys, this video is all about how to buy and sell your USDT, your BTC, your Ethereum, and USDC. You understand how to buy and sell it. All you have to do is to click the link on my description box area or comment section. Then it will take you to Google Play Store or Apple Store to download the app. See my Bybit account, I've already is installed in my phone. If you are yet to install yours, you can download from your Apple Store or Play Store, or use the link on my comment section or description box area to download it. You get. So once you download it, all you have to do is to open the app, right? Just open the app. It will bring you to sign up area. You get, since you don't have account with this Bybit, we have to sign up our account. All you have to do is to either put your email or your phone number. Either put your email or your phone number. Please, if you're putting your email, put your active email, because they will send you verification code in that email. So let's use this email as our email. Then you click this referral code. Please make sure you click it so that once you register, verify your account and deposit, you'll be getting 20 you'll be getting $15 once you deposit, free $15. So make sure you put this code that is on the screen right away. You get, so that you will get $15 once you verify and deposit to the account. Make sure you put this code so that you'll be able to get the $15. So once you put it, you click sign up. Okay, you click sign up. Let's sign up. It's not complete. Let's sign up. It's loading. Then we have to push this thing here. Okay, we are there. So they send us a verification code. So all we have to do is to go to our Gmail account. So they send me a verification code. Let's copy it. Then we click. Please type it. 442413. Okay. Then you set in your password. So let's set our password. So I've done setting my password. Let's sign up. So once you sign up, they will say you should verify your identity. Please, before you do anything in this app, make sure you verify your ID. You understand? Verify your ID. So click this verify my identity. It will bring you here. So depending on the location you are, if you're in Nigeria, you put Nigeria here. If you're in Togo, you put Togo. If you're in Ghana, you put Ghana. If you're in South Africa, you put South Africa. You understand? So, but if it doesn't bring you here, all you have to do, you see this verify now here. You understand? Click it. Click it. So you put the country where you are. Then you click this I have confirmed my selection. Then you click confirm. Once you click confirm, you click proof of identity. You're saying it right? Proof of identity. Once you click it, it will bring you here. They will give you options of documents you can use to verify your account. You get? So the recommended one, the Bybit says it's BVN. You can use the ID card, either voter's card or national NIN, or you can use the driver license, your passport, your residence permit. So anyone. So let's say we are using our BVN. It's already there. Then we'll click confirm. So they say all countries except USA. So you are not in USA now, but if you're in USA, you click it. So all countries except USA will continue, right? Then they will bring us verify your identity. It only takes 2 minutes. Then you click continue, right? Then you put your BVN number. If it is your ID identification, your ID card, you put your ID number. If it is your residence permit, you put the number. Then you put your last name. Once you are done, you click continue. I cannot go for that because I already have an account. You understand? Whatever I put here, um, they will say that I have already have an account. So once you don't put in these things, you click continue. Then they will bring out where you will put your face as a selfie. They will scan your face. Then once they are done scanning your face, if they ask you to blink, you blink. If they ask you to turn your head, you turn your head. Once you are done doing those things, it will take few minutes for them to verify you. So once they verify you, you can do whatever you want to do on that account. So let's go. Let me log in into my the other account so that I'll show you how to buy and also sell. You understand? You don't need to pay someone to do it for you. You can do it by yourself. You get? So let's go. So I'm in my account now. So once we are done, once they have verified you, all you have to do is to click here. We need to secure our account. You understand? You need to secure your money, because things are happening because of what's it called, hackers. So all you have to do is to click here. Is to click here. This, oh sorry, this place, this place that I circle. You understand? So if you click it, you will click. You see, my account is verified. You will click this setting here. You will click this setting here. Once you click it, you will see security. Click it. So you can see my security level is very high. You understand? So do you can secure your account by putting your mobile number. You understand? But I will advise you to do this Google 2F authenticator authentication. All you have to do is to go to Play Store or App Store, download authenticator, right? Google authenticator. Then you can do it. I'll you guide your account. You understand? It's very simple to do it. You get? So once you turn it on, you follow the process and you know do it. Then you go back. So you want to buy your USDT, BTC, or Ethereum or USDC. All you have to do is to come to your home, click on this P2P trading. But if you did not see it on this if you did not see it here, all you have to do is to click on this more. You understand? Once you click on this more, you will see everything here. You get? You will see everything here. So that's just it. Then let's click P2P. We are trying to buy USDT or BTC, or what's it called, Ethereum, and the rest of them, and USDC. You understand? So once you click that P2P, it will bring you here. As you can see now, we have buy, we have sell. If you want to buy, you click on this buy. You get? If you want to sell, you click on the sell and say okay. So there are things you can do so that you cannot be get so that you cannot get scammed while buying or selling. So all you have to do is, first of all, if it is USD that you want to buy, just click here. USDT is already in default. Yes, just click here and change it to whatever you want to buy. If it is BTC, change it to BTC. If it is USDC, the same. If it is Ethereum, Ethereum, you change it to Ethereum. But we are going to do with USDT. So I've already put it in USDT. We need to filter it to the amount that we want to buy. You understand? If it is 10,000 you want to buy, all you have to do is to click on this amount here. You understand? And put the amount you want to buy. Let's say I'm buying 10,000 naira own. So it will filter down to 10,000 naira to those people that are selling 10,000 naira own. I don't know what is happening to my network. They will filter it down to those people that is selling 10,000 naira only. As you can see, the list here is 4545. Then payment method. Let's click the payment method here. You see the payment, but these there are more ways to filter it down. Payment method. Let's say bank transfer. Let's use bank transfer and confirm. You understand? So once we have confirmed it, so all these things have showed up to those people that are selling 10,000. The least minimum you can do is 5,000. You understand? But before you buy from anyone, make sure their rating is very high, because me, I normally buy from those people that are rated from 95 to 100. You understand? You understand? And also the number of their order and this thing, their number of orders. Apart from it, there are another thing you need to check. You get? So let's go. All you have to do is to click on this buy, right? Click on it. Then you scroll up. You see where their name, the name, their names are. You see this person's name. You need to click that place. You click it. Then you scroll. You will see where they wrote leave review. Just click the leave review. Okay, this one have a good rating, 98, and good review 275, bad review 3, which is very very good, you understand, which is very very good. Once the person have more than 10 bad reviews, please run away from that person. You can buy from this you can buy from this person, you understand, you can buy from this person because it has good review. You get, let's go to another person. This one has 99 rates. Then you click the name. Let's click leave review. Or this one have good good rate. Okay, it doesn't have any bad review. Okay, but okay, it have buy 149. Please always be checking here to know how many and how many this thing that the person have bought and sell to. You understand, it matters. You go back, let's go back and look for another one. I need to show you people something. Let's click the name, click the review. This one is good though. It's very good. What I'm seeing today, they have nice reviews, right? Please, if you see the one that has 40 bad reviews, 20 bad reviews, please run from those people. You understand? Look for one that has lesser bad reviews. You get, so once you click it, okay, let's go for this one. Once you click that buy and you have done checking all your, to avoid being scammed, all you need to do, make sure the person is online. As you can see, this particular person is online here. You can see it. So once you make sure that the person is online, then you click the amount you want to pay. Let's say that I'm paying 10,000 naira all. Then that 10,000 naira will be giving me $6.23, 26.2325 USDT. Then I will click buy. Once I click buy, they will give me the account. Once I click buy, all you have to do is, if you want to contact this thing, you can chat the person that, even that you can chat the person that you want to buy or something. So, or you can ask the person, are you online, so that the person will be aware that someone wants to pay. You understand? So once you chat the person, you click payment, and they will give you the account number that you can use and pay. You get, once you pay, you come back and complete payment, and once the person confirm the payments, they will release the coin for you. You understand? That's basically how to buy USDT from here. So let's go for how to sell. You click on that P2P trading again, then you click on sell. Click on sell. Once you click on the sell, you check those things that I asked you to check when you want to buy. You understand? Check it, the buy reviews, the rating, and the rest of them. Once you do this thing, once you check everything, you click sell. You know where I asked you to check, and go there and check. Then you put the amount you want to, you want to withdraw, you want to sell. You understand? Let's say I want to sell 15 USD this thing. Okay, please, when buy, make sure you check the limit amount the person that is selling. Like this person is selling from 10,000 naira. You understand? You get, let's click this one, have 91% rating. Let's filter it amount from 10,000. Confirm. Okay, let's sell. This one 99% rating. Please make sure the person is always online. 25 bad review. It's very bad. Please make sure you look for someone that has lower bad review. You understand? So I'm just teaching you how to sell. So let's say that I want to sell to this person. Put the amount that I want to put. Then I'll, because I don't have any money in the account, so that's why it's writing this thing. You click add payment method. Then you put your name, your account number, bank branch. If you're in Lagos, put Lagos. If you're in Anambra, put Anambra. If you're in put the state that you are, please. That's what you have to put. Don't put any other thing. Just put the state. Then you put the account, your bank name, and confirm. Once you have confirmed, okay, let's say Okay. Lagos OPay. Okay. Then I'll click confirm. I need to put my authenticator. So once you confirm, you can set it. Always make sure that the person is online before doing anything. You can chat the person off the way I showed you. Okay, so that's just it. That's how to sell and buy your trading. So if you want to send someone your wallet address, all you have to do is to click this asset. You get, click the asset, you click this deposit, you click deposit crypto. You understand? Deposit crypto. Then you look for USDT. If it is USDT that the person want to send you the money. If it is BTC, you click BTC. If it is Ethereum, you click Ethereum. If it is USDC, any of them. So once you click it, let me click a USDT. If you did not see it, type it. So once I click the USDT, if it is ERC20 that the person asked me to send, please click it. They will bring out the address. If it is sorry, if it is TRC20, click it. If it is about the most popular one we have here is BEP20 and TRC20. You understand? Just click it and copy the address like this. You understand? So the same as BEP20, the same as this BEP20. Click it and copy the address and send for that person. You get. So if you want to deposit on another wallet, as in if you want to deposit on another wallet that is not your wallet, all you have to do is to click on this withdraw. Click on it. Once you click on it, please, if it's this thing stick like this, just click it to unlock. Then you search for the one that you want to use. I want to use USDT. You get. Then you input that address of that person. You paste the address of that person. Input the network. If it is TRC20, you put. If it is BEP20, if it is this one, you put. If it is this one, TRC20, you put. And let me put TRC20. Then you put the amount you want to put. Let's say you want to input $20. Then you put 20. Then they will charge you 1.6 USDT dollar. If you are using BEP20, they will charge you $1. So it's advisable to use this second one because they will charge you less. You get, oh shit, they will charge you less. You understand? So let's make use of it. BEP20. Then you click withdraw. Once you click the withdraw, they will send it to the address of whatever you want to send it. You understand? So that's basically how to make use of this Bybit. It's very simple, not complicated as you think. So please, if it is the first time I'm coming across my channel, please like, subscribe, and share, and put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload video, you'll be first to get notified. And also, if you're old subscribers, please like and share and comment so that other people that need to see this video will see it. And thank you so much for always watching my video. I see you in my next video. Bye.